but it's actually for everybody also. Thursday morning we came back to the coast, and the next morning, 4 o'clock, Johan left home to come to church and pray. And I got up to get something, and when I got back to bed, I said, "Yes, it's freezing." And God said to me, "He's a rewarder of those who diligently seek Him." And even this morning when I was praying, I said to Johan yesterday also, we are so busy with the things of God. But he is a success in his ministry because he is busy with the God of the things.
Amen.
And we must stop looking at what's going on and all the things that we are busy with and stressing about. We must just get back to God. I was saying to Johan last night, sometimes it's hard to get into that routine again. We must pray. This is grace. We are under grace. But we need to have a certain time with God. Because in that time, He will show you what to do today, where to go, what to do next, and how to cope in this season. I said to Johan also yesterday, everybody's waiting for the next season. But we still have to finish this season.
Amen.
The next level will come once we've conquered this level.
Amen.
So stop trying to get to the next level and say, "God, I want to spend time with you. Show me how to get to this next level. How do I finish this season? Our exit is how I'm going to enter."
Yes.
So Lord, I'm not going to let it go into the next season. I'm going to walk victorious.
Amen.
So let's everybody just get back to God with that intimate time. Because in that time, He's going to show us how to get through this.